So in this video guide I'm going to show you how you can buy your trading money on Deriv platform. So first of all, under cashier, right, you go where it says Deriv P2P, peer-to-peer. So then you look for an order, right, which you want, which satisfy you the budget which you have. Okay, let me just look on the platform. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's say this is the order which I want to buy. Then I select buy USD. Then it here, then I select the certain amount which I want, right? Then I say confirm. So this person will be saying, if you want $20 US, you have to send $40 US. So let's say that's the deferred deal which I like. Then I click confirm. Then okay, then I hit where it says I've paid after sending money on these details, right? Let's say I just send the money, right? Then I'm going to say I've paid. Then I click I have paid. Then I have to attach the proof of payment on this platform, showing the person that yes, I have successfully sent the money through my mobile phone to your account, and so I'm waiting for you to click confirm if you have received the money. So let's just wait for it. Okay, my internet is kind of like down. Let me just wait for it. Okay, we are connected. Let me retry to click on I have paid. Then I click confirm, right? Then everything will just change and they will receive a new pop-up message like, okay, waiting for the seller to confirm. Okay, then on the right side of the screen we will be able to talk with the person that hey buddy, I have sent the money to your account, so blah 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 blah, wow. Then I can click this. You have to click this one and show the person that you have successfully sent the money, because if you don't, some person won't confirm, right? Yes, so I'll just say I have paid for the money, just like that, and say sent. Then I'm going to wait for a few minutes that the person is going to come online and reply something from his mind, or maybe yeah. Okay, we'll just wait for the person. Okay, so the person said, thanks, I have received the money, let me release. So after that, the person is going to release the money so that I can trade. So let's just wait for the person to do the release. So everything is going to change if the person clicks that I have received the money. Yeah, it seems like the person is taking long, but we just have to wait for the person to do what he or she is doing. Yeah. Okay, so now the person have verified successfully. The money is now in the account. So yeah, okay, that's what I have for you guys. This is how you buy money using Deriv peer-to-peer. So guys, if you like the video, please like the video. If you need more information, in case if you are interested for any other videos on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It will just mean a lot to me. Kind of like, yes, I'm not making money with YouTube, but I'm just creating content, sharing whatever I know. Maybe in the future I might earn some money with these videos, who knows. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers. Time to trade. Make profit. Time to trade. Time for money. Kind of interesting.